Come test drive the 2018 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, LED headlights. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.